So with me here, I have
Wale,
Wale. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
You're here live at the Technology Global Demo Open House. What do you think about the event already?
Yeah, it's very great, very great. Like I've learned a lot of stuff today. I don't know even know the trans jet machine can
Yeah.
print DTF. I'm learning that today.
Wow. So what's your take? What's your take home of the whole event?
At the end of the day, I want to know a lot of stuff that you can do with DTG. The only thing that I know to do with DTG is print on shirt. But I'm here today. I can see you can print on shirt, you can print on apron, you can print on different colors. You can print on you can even print on jeans.
So you now learned so many
Oh,
things.
sure. I've seen a lot of stuff here today, and I'm still going to see many
More.
stuff before I leave.
So then after when you leave here, yeah, you're going to start. You're going to
Of
start
course,
doing
now I know
more.
what other people don't know now, so I'm just going to be like,
Did you hear what he said? He knows what other people don't know. Okay, so now you've learned a few things on new things about DTJ printing that you didn't know about. That's good. So I hope you're also going to teach other people that.
Yeah, I will teach. I will teach them, but they are not here. I might have to charge them to.
It's not for free. Okay, thank you so much for coming out.